Have you ever pondered on the thought of an ocean without fish, but full of plastic? A startling image to consider, isn't it? Yet this could be the harsh reality of our future if we continue on our current path. Welcome to our journey today, as we dive into the depths of a significant issue that affects us all: ocean pollution. Our oceans, these vast, beautiful expanses of blue, cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. They are home to a myriad of creatures, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. Yet these incredible bodies of water face a looming threat: pollution. Every year, millions of tons of waste, mostly plastic, find their way into our oceans. This waste, which takes hundreds of years to decompose, poses a serious threat to marine life. It's not just the large pieces of plastic that are a problem. Microplastics, tiny particles of plastic less than 5 millimeters in size, are just as deadly. Ocean pollution doesn't stop at plastic, though. Chemicals and toxins from industries, agriculture, and even households also make their way into the oceans. These pollutants can cause disease and death in marine life and damage sensitive ecosystems, such as coral reefs. So, what can we do to turn the tide on ocean pollution? The solutions are simpler than you might think. Firstly, reduce, reuse, and recycle. These 3 R's are key to cutting down the amount of waste we produce. Think twice before you buy something. Can you reuse something you already have? Can you choose a product with less packaging? Can you recycle the product once you're done with it? Secondly, support legislation and organizations that protect the oceans. Many countries have already implemented bans on single-use plastics, and numerous non-profit organizations are dedicated to cleaning up our oceans. Your voice and support can make a real difference. Thirdly, educate others. Knowledge is power, and the more people know about the issue of ocean pollution, the more likely they are to take action. Lastly, clean up. Participate in or organize local beach cleanups. Every piece of trash you pick up is one less that ends up in our oceans. Remember, the ocean is not just a beautiful sight to behold. It is a crucial part of our planet's ecosystem, providing food and oxygen, regulating climate, and supporting a diversity of life. We must do everything we can to protect it. So, as we conclude our journey today, take a moment to reflect. Consider the role you can play in preserving our oceans. Every action, no matter how small, makes a difference. It's time for us to step up, to take responsibility, to make a change. We owe it to our oceans, to the creatures that inhabit them, and to future generations. So make your pledge today. Commit to doing your part in combating ocean pollution. Because a world without our beautiful oceans is not a world we want to envisage. Remember, the future of our oceans is in our hands. Let's ensure we leave a legacy we can be proud of.